It's Eileen with Kidfunideas.com, and today I thought we would make this really fun Cheshire Cat. He's part of a tea party theme that I have in the spring craft section, and you can find all the directions on the pattern pieces on how to make that in the spring craft section at Kidfunideas. And what you'll need for this project would be pink paper, purple paper, like a lavender color paper, a black marker, some fasteners, and some scissors and glue stick. So round up your materials and we'll get started. Okay, once you download the pattern pieces, it will tell you how many of whatever shape, like this is the foot, to cut out of what color paper. So basically for all the main body parts like the tummy and the legs and the tail, you'll need to cut out one pink one and one purple one because the cat is striped. So let me show you how to go ahead and make the stripes with the, let's do it on this leg because that's the smallest one. So you're going to take your piece, your purple piece, and lay it down like that. And then you're going to take your top piece, your pink piece, and you're just going to make a wavy curve with it, just like that. Okay? You're going to glue that part on. Glue that on your cat. That. Okay, so that's how it came off there. And then you're going to take off one section following that same line you just made and set that aside. Then you'll do the next section. And you'll lay this here. And then you're going to take your curved piece that you cut out and lay it up against this section here so that it all, and you're just going to keep going with that, taking off one, putting on another, until you end up with a whole bunch of stripes. And it goes all the way down until you have stripes on all of your body parts. So you need to repeat this with the two arms, the two legs, the tummy, and the tail. Okay, so once you have all of your pieces done, and I put the foot piece on, the foot piece goes right on the end of it, and then I drew in little tiny toe pieces right there. So you continue with that all the way around, and then we'll start putting together the face. So for the face, what you're going to want to do is take your face piece, the purple face piece, and use a hole punch and make a hole right in the bottom area here so you can connect it to the body piece. After you've done that, you're going to take your metal paper fastener and put it through your mouthpiece. We're just going to open it up for right now on the back. And then you're going to take your muzzle piece and put a little glue stick on there. We're going to glue that right over that right where the metal paper fastener is. Okay. After that, we're going to cut out the eyeballs that came with the pattern and the smile. We're going to glue that on as well. That way you don't have to draw your own smile. Just going to cut that out. Like that. We're going to glue that on right at the bottom, just like that. Same thing with the eyeballs. You're going to want to cut those out. And once you've got your eyeballs cut out, this is kind of a goofy character. So his two pupils, the pupil on there, they're going to face each other. They're going to be right like he's cross-eyed. And that gives him that kind of silly look that he has. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is attach his nose. His nose piece goes right above here. like that. So to finish this, you're going to want to, oh, and we forgot his eyebrows. He has 2 eyebrows. One up here, that. One over here, that, pink. He actually has 2 cat ears in the back. 2 kitty cat ears on the top. So now we have this, and he looks pretty silly, but he's going to look even better once we add a couple of details. We're going to add 2 little nostrils on either side, and we're going to add a little bit of a nose piece, some whiskers. And at the end of each of his smile, we're going to add just a little bit of a curve right there. There. Now we've got our face piece. Ah! Okay, so to put this all together, what you're going to want to do is take your face piece like this, and you're going to attach it to your body piece. So that metal paper fastener that we used is going to go right through the body piece on the back. I'm going to open that up. Next, we're going to take our 2 arm pieces and attach them also with metal paper fasteners. Through here like this. Okay, another arm. He's going to go through here like that. He's already looking pretty cute. There we go. Next comes the tail. That's going to go in the back. Put him right here. And his 2 legs are next. 1 leg and 2 legs. One leg, and I need 1 more fastener. Oop, dropped the leg. And his last leg goes in just like this. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. All right, so now we have our Cheshire Cat. And you can pose him, because he's got these metal paper fasteners, you can pose him off to the side. Again, silly like that. This tail up. Bring him to your next tea party. All right. Well, I hope you guys are able to make your own tea party Cheshire Cat. He is so cute. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.